Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw at home without mayonnaise. Forget heavy, creamy versions. We're crafting a bright, refreshing side dish that's perfect for any occasion. This recipe focuses on fresh ingredients and a zesty dressing that truly lets the vegetables shine. It's surprisingly simple to prepare and offers a delightful crunch and flavor that everyone will love. Get ready to transform your coleslaw experience with this easy, delicious method. Our secret lies in the vibrant, mayonnaise-free dressing. Start with a half cup of apple cider vinegar, which provides that essential tangy kick. Next, slowly whisk in 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil to create a smooth, emulsified base. For a hint of sweetness, add 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, balancing the acidity beautifully. Finish with a 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a little extra depth and zest. Now, let's prepare our vegetables for the perfect texture and flavor. You'll need 1 medium head of green cabbage, finely shredded, and about 1/4 of a red cabbage for a beautiful pop of color. Grate 1 large carrot into the mix, adding natural sweetness and a lovely crunch. Toss these together in a large bowl. Season with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to enhance all those fresh flavors. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Pour your tangy dressing over the shredded cabbage and carrot mixture. Toss everything thoroughly until all the vegetables are evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it alongside your favorite grilled dishes or sandwiches. And hey, for some other great deals, including a link for darn tough socks, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.